Yeah. My mushroom carbonara came. It actually looked so delicious. Look at this. What are you doing? Okay, try. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's actually really nice and creamy.
Bro, our mozzarella sticks. Why are they so red?
I don't know, but I hope they taste good.
They should do. You can literally see the cheese like oozing out of them. 10 yen cheese pull. 10 yen cheese pull.
Why is that, bro?
It's actually really good though. On a serious note, it's good.
Okay.
Our truffle fries actually look so cheesy. Look how much Parmesan is on them. It looks so good. What did you order? Wow. The wind actually causes so much frizz. What?
Here. Wait, don't do this. Do your thumb roll.
Why my thumb?
Because look at mine.
Look at mine. We got the Ferrero flavor. Look how good it looks.
Itself, a dash of cheese, and a dollop of Matisse. Surreal, more real than reality itself. It's just too difficult, too complex to really describe. Surreal, more real.